In today's video, I'm going to show you how Trello Activity and highlights work, and how you can use them to track team progress, monitor updates, and stay on top of deadlines without constantly opening every single board. If you're working with a team or managing multiple projects, this feature can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. Make sure to watch until the end so you understand both the board activity log and the home screen highlights. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tutorials. Let's start with the activity log inside a Trello board. Open any Trello board that you're a member of. On the right-hand side, you'll see a menu panel. If it's not visible, click on Show Menu in the top right corner. Inside this menu, click on Activity. This is where Trello tracks everything happening on that specific board. In the activity feed, you can see recent changes in chronological order. This includes cards being created, moved between lists, updated with due dates, assigned to members, or commented on. Every action taken by anyone on the board is recorded here. This makes it incredibly useful for managers or team members who want a quick overview of what's been happening without manually checking each card. You can scroll through the activity feed to go back in time and review earlier updates. If someone moved a card from in progress to done, you'll see exactly when that happened and who did it. If a teammate added a comment to a card, that will also appear here. This transparency helps teams stay aligned and accountable. Now, let's talk about filtering. At the top of the activity section, you can filter by specific actions, such as comments only. This is helpful if you just want to review discussions rather than every small movement on the board. It keeps things focused and prevents information overload. That covers board-level activity. Now let's move to the bigger picture, Trello's home screen and highlights feature. Click on the home icon in the left sidebar. The home screen is your personal dashboard. Instead of showing activity from just one board, it gives you a high-level overview of everything relevant to you across your workspace. One of the most powerful sections here is highlights. Highlights automatically surface important updates so you don't miss anything critical. For example, you'll see upcoming due dates for cards assigned to you. This helps you prioritize your tasks without digging through multiple boards. You'll also see recent activity on cards you're involved in. If someone comments on a card you're assigned to, or if a due date changes, it can appear in your highlights. This keeps communication streamlined and ensures you're always aware of important updates. Another useful element is your starred boards. If you frequently work on certain boards, make sure to star them. Trello will prioritize these boards in your home view, making it faster to jump back into your most important projects. This is especially helpful if you belong to many boards across different teams. The combination of the board activity log and the home highlights gives you both micro and macro visibility. The activity log shows detailed board-specific actions, while highlights provide a personalized summary across all your work. Together, they help you track progress, monitor collaboration, and stay ahead of deadlines. To get the most out of this system, make it a habit to quickly check your home screen at the start of each day. Then, when you're working inside a specific board, use the Activity tab to review recent changes before making updates. This simple workflow can dramatically improve your productivity and awareness. And that's how Trello Activity and highlights work. You now know how to track recent changes, monitor team progress, and use the home screen for a high-level overview of your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.